Welcome back to King's Aquariums. Today is the announcement of the winner of the 60 subscriber giveaway. As you can see, I've got my youngest son Reginald here with me. It is his birthday today, isn't it, Reginald? Isn't it? Is it your birthday? Yeah. So, yeah, if you want to say happy birthday to him in the comment section below, feel free to do so. We've had lots of entries for the giveaway, which will be receiving one of these t-shirts or the King's Aquariums channel logo. So I'm going to read out all the comments, and then I'm going to put them into a hat and draw one out. So the first one here, I've got on a bit of paper here, is Azoila has put liked it. Blake's Aquatics, nice one mate, I dig the neons, and also gave it a thumbs up, thank you very much Blake. Manic Fish Tuber, great video matey, with a thumbs up. Big Tank Hank, I gave it a big thumbs up, thank you very much. Friday Fish Facts, that's a beautiful albino rainbow shark. He certainly is that. Who else we got here? Viola Hops a lot. Just found your channel. I don't do videos because there are many fish folks doing them for me to enjoy. It's nice to see how many people take care of their wet pets. Certainly is. So thank you very much. Also, next is Langham and Animals. Hi Langham. Like 8. Those neons look good. They certainly do. They're very nice to watch. Relaxing. Chris Dick. Hi Chris. Looking good, brother. How's the family doing? We're doing really well, thank you very much. Tanks are looking fantastic. We'll buy a t-shirt from you soon. Thank you very much. Well, you might not need to if you win this. David's Fish Tanks. Looking good, sir. Like plants in the tanks. Thank you very much. Tara Tank Friends, hi Tara, like number 3. I think my favourite fish is a tie between Delta, the better fish, and the giraffe hats. Such a unique looking fish. Thanks for the shout out, nice video watching all the fishes. Thank you very much Tara. Aquamate, hi Josh, nice work man, those tanks look really good there. There's something special about a School of Neons that is underrated. I enjoy watching them feed. Keep up the great work man. Thank you very much Josh. First time aquatics, found you via Lazarus. I like the scapes. While your neons go for the pellets, when I had them they would never go for them. Strange, but mine they just go after anything, they're hungry. Fantastic Freaks, we've got some great looking tanks man. That neon tank with the plants and rocks is especially nice, thank you very much. And Lazarus the Fish Boy, thanks mate for the shout out, excited for the t-shirt, thank you very much. So yeah, we shall be announcing the winner shortly. But yeah, this is Reginald's birthday, first birthday, isn't it Reginald? Is it your first birthday? Is it your first birthday? So yeah, he's had a hard start in life. He's got a heart condition, so hello. So he was in intensive care for the first week and a half of his life. But yeah, he's doing really well. So again, if you want to say happy birthday to him, feel free to in the comment section. And yeah, I shall announce the winner shortly.